Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually find the winning products to put on your Shopify. Now, there's a lot of questions people tend to ask, and one of the major things that people come across is the fact that they don't know how to find the right product to put on their Shopify account. And obviously in today's video, I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the different elements there are in understanding the dynamics and the strategy that need to be built to ensure that you can successfully find winning products to put on your Shopify. Now, there are certain elements that you have to keep in mind whenever you're starting dropshipping, and one of them is that you always need to select product which are the bare minimum in the price range. And obviously that means you need to find a bargain product, a product that you can scale up and sell at a much higher rate. And obviously once you find a product which is considerably less in price, and when you increase the price and sell it at a profit margin, that is where the money is going to be. Now, one of the places I always recommend individuals to check out obviously is CJ Dropshipping. And there's two factors to that. The factor number one is that you will find products that people are talking about, people are interested in. Because whenever there's a product on CJ Dropshipping, that literally means that is a product that people are talking about. And you can find these products where there it says trending products. And if you click on view more, it will open up in the next window. In that window, I'll show you exactly that these are those products that people are very much interested in. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all these different products that people are talking about. Now, the reason behind this is the fact that these are products that are being continuously advertised and promoted on social media platforms. And obviously, if you look at TikTok, if you look at Facebook, if you look at Instagram, you will clearly see a lot of ads upon these different products. And this is where I always recommend individuals to not go ahead and spend a lot of money on advertising, but use that advertising in your favor. So select products that people are already promoting, that are already being seen on social media. Then based on those products, you can always increase your profit margins by selecting those products and obviously start shipping them. So what we're going to do right now, after you've done it, I want you to go back to dropshipping, because one of the most important things I'm going to mention over here is the difference between successful dropshipping and a failed dropshipping business. Is always make sure that whenever you find a product, you find where the product is actually based in. So we're going to go over here where it says warehouse, and when I select warehouse, you'll see all the different places the warehouse exists. It's going to be in the US, Thailand, China, Germany, Indonesia, Australia, Japan, Canada, and obviously the list is endless, because anywhere and everywhere you can find a warehouse where the product exists. So wherever you're from, for example, if you're in the US, you want to find a warehouse that's in the US, a product that's already in the US. If you're in, for example, China, you want to find a product that is in China. What that is going to do is it's going to decrease the time significantly. For example, if you look at the delivery time on the right side, you'll see that what is the delivery time for the shipping for the different methods to get the product. The shipping time needs to be as minimum as possible to ensure that you can actually get that product easily available to you, so you can put it on your Shopify account, you can put it on your Amazon account, you can put it on your eBay account to sell that item instantly to your customers. And this is one of the problems which a lot of young dropshippers tend to face, is that they always go for products, but they then find out that the product is going to take 4 months, 3 months to get to them. And then obviously the element of society, the element of thought process, the element of strategy changes, and that product doesn't get sold. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to select a product that we feel has the potential, and then we're going to see if and how much interest exists for that particular product. So we're going to go for this product over here. The profit margin on this is going to be quite well, but before we search for it, there's one tiny thing I want to mention right now, which I feel it needs to be mentioned, which is crucial for anyone to understand the different elements when it comes to selecting a product, is the fact that the right side of the actual item page, you'll have something which is called shipping from. And shipping from literally means that do you want this product to be shipped from. This product is in the China warehouse, and they have 171,733 of these particular items. So please make sure that you're aware of where you want to be shipped out from, because sometimes that product would be available in multiple warehouses across the globe, below. So whatever country is near you and gives you the minimum amount of time, always select that particular country. Now, after you've selected the item, I need you to get and head over to googletrends.com. Now, trends.google.com is a very good website. And once you head over there, I want you to select the country that you want to find the trend for. For example, if we're selling this product in the US, so we're going to go over here, we're going to go to the US, we're going to change the country, and then we're going to go back and see that this is going to be the Wi-Fi camera. So we're going to copy and paste this from here, and then we're going to paste this right here, and then we're going to search for this. And as we search for this, you'll see the amount of trend that is for this particular product in the US. Now, if you look over here, you can clearly see these are the people that want to buy this particular product. This was actually searched 70 times in November, but this increased drastically to December. So we can clearly see the places where people want to buy this from, what kind of product they want to buy, what they're searching for. And this gives us the research element. It makes us understand exactly if there's an interest for this product in the US. You can do this for the US, you can do this for Australia, you can do this for Canada, you can do this for any country that's available. And obviously, whatever your target audience is, you can find out if they're interested in this product or not. So it's very simple, guys. First, you find a product, you find where you want to ship it from, you decrease the shipping time, and after you've decreased the shipping time, you head over and you check out if there is going to be an interest for that particular product in the country that you want to sell it. Once you've done all of that, you need to head over to Shopify. If you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. You can click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Now, Shopify is the platform that can give you full control over what you want to do and how you want to do it. And the reason for this is that they have a store builder that brings your vision to life. And obviously, you don't need any coding expertise at all because they have everything made and done for you. You can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. And they have so many features and functionalities to your online store with the app extension. And obviously, you can download them, you can install them, and actually get those particular products onto your Shopify account and start selling those products. You can connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or with the marketing tools and social integration and the sales channels that you would need to get your products in front of customers. And the best thing, which I personally feel is very limited to Shopify, and that is something that you do not get in this sense with all the other platforms that are available, is the fact that you can manage your inventories, you can track your payments, and you can view real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They have literally built all the tools that are required for anyone that want to get into this particular industry, and you can focus on building your business. That is the beauty of it. And right now, if you just look at Shopify, there are millions of merchants that are using Shopify right now. So obviously there is a need, there is a requirement, there is a market gap that exists that is being filled right now. It's available in 175 countries. They have supported 5 million jobs already, and they have done an economic activity of $444 billion. That is a massive cake. And obviously you can take a piece of that slice as well and make a massive profit from it and break away from the 9-to-5 rat race and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And the thing that really makes Shopify stand out for me, and the reason why I recommend anyone that wants to get into this business sector to go for Shopify, is the fact that the help that you need and when you need it is available with their Shopify blogs, with their online courses, their community, and their help center. And guys, remember, I am always available here for you. You can always comment in the comment section below if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm here to support you, to assist you, and to guide you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how to find winning products and what trends they want to look out for and how to start a Shopify and sell on Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.